Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you revealed third mystery player of April, how to uncover player A of mystery signings in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this mystery signings banner and welcome to the mystery signings. So you can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone rewards. We already got the clue. The clue is left back with 90 OVR, and also you have to open this first, so this uncover path will open for you. This is the uncover player A, guarantee reward 30,000 coin and also 5 base player. Tap free button. Let's see who is this. This is the guarantee reward. Let's claim it first. And he is Di Marco. Federico Di Marco play for Internazionale Milan in Serie A. So he is from Italy, and the trade is very good for a left back. He got powerful driven free kick, early crosser, and long shot taker. So he can play in wing back area or left midfielder. So tomorrow we will unlock the player B clue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click next button below. Enjoy the game.